So we're going to be doing a series of Kempos, 1 through 10 first. We're going to be putting these up online. Just a quick explanation of Kempos and why we do them. Number one, we do them because we need to practice in a safe environment when somebody's attacking. That's number one. Number two is you're learning different principles with each Kempo that you learn. One of them might be moving back from a punch, one of them might move to the side, maybe to the inside, one of them might be spinning around something. But what you're learning is you're learning principles with these Kempos. The Kempo that you're learning, you're not going to be able to do the whole entire thing in a real life situation. What you're doing is you're taking pieces of it, right? And you're practicing them over and over and over. And then when you learn to defend yourself, you're going to be doing pieces of these techniques. You know, like one might have 5 side kicks in it, right? It's not practical. What's the point of learning it then? The point of learning it is you're drilling a side kick. You're drilling accuracy of where a side kick might go. Might go to the solar plex, might go to the groin, neck area. So you're practicing those things. So when you're looking at a Kempo, don't always look at it one-sided, meaning, oh, that's not going to work on the street. Look at it differently. Look at it, oh, I see the benefits of learning that Kempo. I see that the hand-eye coordination. I see the flexibility. Just you're kicking a little to a solar plex. Your foot is constantly kicking in that area. So if you need to defend yourself and you're kicking to the solar plex, you're able to do that freely, easily, so when you're doing it. So keep in mind when you're learning these Kempos that all these are inside the compass as far as learning these things. So it's not just one-sided, it's everything.
Are you ready?
All right, so we're gonna be doing Kempo number 1. So, and each Kempo that I'll do, I'll explain like one principle that you're learning behind them. There's many different things, but I'll just explain one of them. So, good. Now, Kempo 1. As he punches, I move back. My left hand comes out as an outward knife hand block to the wrist around this area here. So we look at the camera, you're in this area here, blocking. I grab the wrist. I kick right to the solar plex. I land forward, heel palm to the face. So again, so as I move back, I'm matching the distance. I am moving away from the punch, learning how to match the distance here. If I just focus on blocking right away, there's a good chance I'm still gonna get hit. So what I'm trying to do is trying to teach you to recognize something coming at you and moving back, and then executing your block or attacks. In this case, you're kicking. There's your attack. There's the kick. Lean forward, cheer. Good, let's try it on this side real quick. So, he comes in, 1, grab, kick, cheer. Good. Now, one of the things you notice is that my hands are in elbow position, and I'm in what's called a horse stance. The reason for that, it's a training stance. Here, horse stance, strengthening your legs. Hands in elbow position, just to make it easier for you to learn something. If your hands are like this, then we're worried about like which hand's in front, or how far this hand is here, hard down, or maybe it's like this. Well, it just makes it easier for you to learn. It's a foundation, just keep in mind. So he comes in, 1, grab, kick, cheer. Good. And that's Kempo 1.